What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your guest Night Diamond here, and I'm back again with another video. If this is the first time you see my face on your screen, make sure you guys go ahead and click the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on the notification on so you miss anything I post. And last but not least, be part of the Diamond Squad. Scroll back up right now and give this video a like. Make sure you guys go and watch my recent video I posted yesterday and the other videos. Also, I did post a video on my second channel yesterday, so make sure you guys go and watch it because the views on it is looking terrible. So make sure you guys go and watch that. Link is in the description box to my second channel. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing the last look that was on that poll. Finally, I'm doing the Tweety bird look. I know I've been doing makeup videos so much and I kind of need to take a break from that. So after this one, I'm going to take a little bit of break from that. And then maybe get into like a fall look since I haven't done that yet. Or if not, I will wait until November to do a fall look. But yeah, so basically I'm just going to go into my Glam Light paint palette again, and I'm just gonna use the orange shade for my crease color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Just kind of pack it on in there. I like to keep the concealer on my face like tacky or sticky, whatever word you want to call it. I did do the rest of my face. I put contour, blush. I could hardly see the blush though, but I put a little bit of blush, concealer, all that stuff. That's why my face looks so different right now. But yeah, I do all these things off camera and just more focus on the rest of the simpler stuff, so the video don't be too long. So that. Now I know Tweety bird is mostly yellow, but I'm starting off with the orange first because I want to do like the yellow for like a cut crease. So that's why I'm starting off with that first. Okay, so now I'm gonna just do that cut crease, my Fenty Beauty concealer. I always use this upon my lids because I find when I use this, the shadows really pop. So let me just go ahead and put some here. So I'm just gonna be doing a half cut crease. Basically, if you don't know how to do a cut crease, you just basically outline your eyes, your eyeball, kind of in a way. Like, see, like, mine is right here. So I just basically just keep on going forward and stuff. So, it's pretty easy and simple to do a cut crease, really. Just really outline the shape of your eyeball. So, yeah. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do it. Now I'm just going to go back into the orange and just do that and then blend it out a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go into my Morphe Ball Smooth palette, the 35M. I seriously neglected this palette, yeah. Like the last time I used this was on my birthday, and man, does it even have a yellow shade in here? Is that even a yellow shade right here? Okay, this is okay. So I'm basically gonna use this yellow shade called, I don't even know what the fuck that name is called. Anyways, I'm just gonna put it onto my lid. Yeah, that's yellow. Okay, good. But I seriously just remembered that I had this palette, and I don't remember how I was feeling to get it, and then I seriously like neglected it so bad. But It's pretty good. Just kind of have it like that. Basically, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye. And yeah. Alright guys, so I'm done with the look. I decided to put the yellow more like as if it's a full crease or whatever it's called. I did use some highlight. I didn't use as much, so I used my Wet n Wild loose powder one, and as you can see, a lot of it is in here. Yeah. So yeah. So now I'm just going to. Oh yeah, for my inner corners and brow bones, I did use the white from the paint palettes, and now for lips, I'm just gonna use this. I think I know I used the pepper one in the other video. I mean, this shit smells the same. Oh my god. But yeah. Now I know this is not the same orange, but you know, it's okay. And this on is called Solar Energy, so if you do like this shade, you know, you could get it at NYX. But okay, I knew I wasn't tripping. I knew I freaking heard a fly by my ear. But yeah, I literally spazzed out. My bad, guys. But anyways, this is a final look, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the bell notification if you haven't. Find me on my social medias in the description box down below. And if you want to do collaboration with me, you can email me or you could DM me on Instagram. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
He just pull it out in his pictures. Bitch. Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell.